What's wrong with me? I'm not the idiot that tried to slide out of the car seat.
Pull this off.
Come on, Rob. How are you going to get out of that?
Get off. Oh, I'm not done. I'm done. I'm not done.
What'd you say? Come on, Rob.
There we go. There we go. Come on, good mother would unbuckle. Especially when your son got a shot. Yeah! I'm Chris Angel.